The smartwatch market is evolving day by day in the world and as well as in Bangladesh. And now might be a pretty good time to buy a smartwatch. And talking about smartwatches, today we have the Mibro X1 with us. And here is our full review of the smartwatch.
Starting with the build and design, this watch has a sporty dial with the outer bezel protruding a little, saving the actual display from accidental hits and scratches. The watch body also features the sporty look with some text all over the watch. There are two buttons to the right, one to go back and home, and a second dedicated button for the sport modes, which I will get into a second. The display here is a 1.3-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 360 by 360, which makes everything look very sharp on the screen. The colors are also very good compared to the competition. The animations, however, are noticeably slow because of the software, speaking of which, the software is the only part where the watch falls back. The user interface is not the best looking one I have seen, as well as the icons. You do get all your notifications and phone call alerts, but you can't reply to your messages, nor you can accept phone calls. But there are a bunch of software features integrated into the watch, like blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, pressure analysis, MET, and more if you are into that stuff.
The calculator app is pretty useful, especially if you are using an iPhone since you don't have split screen.
The watch is water and dust proof, so I would say it will be a handy equipment in tracking and sports. Moving on to the battery department, the company is claiming a 15 days backup with the sport modes and the heart rate monitoring on, and a 60-day backup with regular use.
With my usage, I was getting around 30 days of battery backup with a single charge and having the watch always connected to my phone. The battery, I would say, is way better than the competition, as most of the smartwatches in this price range last around 10 days or so. To avail all the functionalities of the smartwatch, you need to install the Mibro Fit app on your phone from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And you need to connect the watch via Bluetooth and keep it connected all the time in order to receive all the notifications. Now, who is this watch for? If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch with an amazing screen, a sporty design and a best-in-class battery, I would say this is one of the best options out there. And the price would be around $65 to $70, and in Bangladesh it will be around 3.6 to 4.2k, and it varies between different shops. And the last thing I want to say, you won't regret it getting this for this price. That's been it. Thanks for watching. See you again.